Another concept of lesson 3 is أليس كذلك. أليس كذلك. So this requires a little bit of thinking. The whole deal behind it is, which one are you going to use? Are you going to respond by saying bala or naam? So first let's explain what أليس كذلك means. So we did laysa in the past, which is fi'l madi naqis. We said it's translated as not. Okay, we know what this is. This is hamzatul istifham, when you ask a question. And كذلك, we know the word ذلك means that. ذلك is that. The kaf means like. Okay. So if I had to try, now the kaf is also a harful jar. It's a harful jar. But ذلك doesn't change because it's mabni. So like that. Is it not like that? Okay. So is it not like that? Is it not like that? Is it not like that? When would you ask that? That's a question. When would you ask that? Well, another way of saying this, is it not like that? You can say, is it not so? Is it not so? Is it not so? Let's replace this with so, because I think we say that in English. Is it not so? Isn't it so? If you're talking about something and you say, for instance, the lesson is very easy, and you want to ask the person or the group if they agree, so you say, isn't it not so? Okay, or is it not so? Is it not so? So you're asking them in the negative form, right? You're asking them, is it not so? So if they say yes, which now means yes, right? They're saying, yes, it is not so. Yes, it is not so. Alright? So if you're saying the lesson is easy, is it not so? So if they say yes, that means it is not so. Meaning you're disagreeing. You're disagreeing with the statement that was made, which was that the lesson was easy. So by saying na'am, you're actually disagreeing with the person. But if you say bala, of course, you're agreeing with the person. Of course. So again, ad-darsu sahlun. Alaysa kadhalik? So I'm saying the lesson is easy, and I'm asking, alaysa kadhalik? Is it not so? If you agree that the lesson is easy, you would say, bala, of course, bala. If you disagree, and you think the lesson is actually hard, you would say, na'am. But na'am actually means that you're disagreeing with the person. So because of that, it creates a little bit of confusion. And you have to think. You have to think. Even if it's a short time, you have to think. So many people, they make mistakes here. And in class, we used to have a lot of fun with this, because it's very easy for someone to agree with you and then they'd be like, na'am. But in reality, they shouldn't say na'am, they should say bala. They should say bala. So the two choices is bala and na'am. You cannot say la. La is not an option here. So, is it not so? Is it not so? Alright? You can either respond by saying, of course, bala, and you're agreeing, or you could say na'am, which is yes, and you're disagreeing with what the person was saying, alright? Is it not so? So again, here we have an example. I'll give you an example. You can say al-jawu, the weather, baridun. Baridun, the weather is cold. Al-jawu baridun. And then the person asks the question, alaysa kadhalik? Alaysa kadhalik? He's trying to get some confirmation to see who agrees with him. Alaysa kadhalik? Right? If you say bala, of course, that means you're saying that the weather is cold, right? And if you say na'am, right, you're saying that the weather is actually not cold. You're disagreeing with the person. So that is one of the concepts that's being taught. Alaysa kadhalik. Alaysa kadhalik.